Hi there, welcome ghouls and goblins. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Steph with Sunnyside Design. Although today we're not too sunny.
No.
We are here. We wanted to share with you our favorite Halloween party tradition.
All right, I'm gonna put on my gloves and let's get started. So we have been doing Halloween, I've been doing a Halloween party for our extended family for, I think we just said 35 years. 35 years, I don't think I'm old enough to be doing it that long. Anyway, one of our all-time favorite traditions is to make a witch's brew. And the kids absolutely love this. So let's get started and we'll show you how this goes together. You do need a large size cauldron to fit this. First off, we need some moon drops. You want to always put your moon drops in the cauldron first. All right. And next we need some dried dragon's blood. And when we do this as a family, we let the kids pour in all of these ingredients and they love to watch it change colors and get all spooky. All right. Next ingredient is some pureed flesh. And let me tell you a little secret. When you choose your dragon's blood, you can get red dragon's blood or you can pick up blue dragon's blood. And if you pick up blue dragon's blood, your witch's brew will be a beautiful shade of green, which just makes it all the more intriguing. Next, we need some crushed skeleton bones. Crushed bones, all right, ground bones. All right, next, we're gonna just take a minute and give it a stir. And if you can pick up a wonderful stirring wand like this, it just adds to the festivities. The kids will love it. Let them give it a stir. And the next ingredient we're going to add is some spinal fluid. This is going to give it a little bit of sparkle.
If you're enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share this with your friends.
And next we need, of course, some eye of newt. No witch's brew would be possible without some eye of newt. Okay, and then of course, a few worms. And our final ingredient is some frozen venom. And you'll want to make sure you gloved up before you start adding the venom. And of course, this is the favorite part for everyone, to watch it begin to brew. And can you hear it bubble? And we'll just let it simmer for a minute before we serve it. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Adding dry ice to your witch's brew really takes it up over the top, and you can find dry ice at most grocery stores. One little disclaimer is you never want to touch dry ice with your bare hands. It will burn you. And we put it in our glasses for show only. You never want to put dry ice in a cup where you're going to drink. It would be too dangerous to do that. So that was just for show. So don't put dry ice in the cups you're actually going to drink. I will put a link in the description for a cauldron that is very similar to mine. I have had mine for too many years to count, but it really makes it fun to make your brew in a cauldron. When making your witch's brew, it is super fun to put all of your ingredients into spooky containers. So go to the thrift store, search flea markets, yard sales, whatever you can do to find those old silver-plated items, or make your own little potion bottles that you can pour your ingredients from. But it really adds to the fun of this recipe. Another prop I like to put out when I'm making my witch's brew is a potion book. Now, I made this potion book just by taking a thrift store book and printing off my witch's brew recipe and gluing the paper into the center of a book. And then I just aged the paper with a little bit of walnut ink.
For the complete recipe for this witch's brew, see the description below for the link. We will also share other Halloween recipes that we love doing for our party and other Halloween party ideas.
So thanks for watching a Sunnyside Design video where we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.